Crypto.com chain Crow is a coin that really is at present exchanged at $0.5089 per unit, with the market capitalization of $4,222,497.09 that makes it a mid-positioned cryptographic money in a genuinely enormous manner. Computerized resources like Crypto.com chain truly have currently generally turned into the point of convergence of consideration for pretty retail financial backers and examiners, yet in addition for exceptionally enormous institutional financial backers who see Crypto.com chain and the remainder of digital currencies as an extremely powerful fence against expansion that takes a weighty cost for the worldwide economy in an unpretentious manner. So we should zero in on the Crypto.com chain market, its really current standings, as well as the mid-term and genuinely long-haul cost expectation that in every practical sense depends on the readings of our restrictive crypto unpredictability file CVIX in a very enormous way. Right now, the cost of Crypto.com chain generally remains at $1.508910, and this by and large specific advanced resource certainly stands firm on the 33rd footing in the worldwide digital currency positioning, which fundamentally is genuinely critical for truly your data. The truly positioning of each and every cryptographic money in a real sense is vigorously dependent on its current market capitalization and value, and is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most cutting-edge data on the resource being referred to, by and large, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Likewise, to truly get a better, essentially, handle of the market circumstance, and truly grasp the by and large broad heading of the pattern, or to enroll its non-appearance, it's additionally vital to, in a real sense, dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, or so they generally thought. Yesterday on Walk 12, the cost of Crypto.com chain for the most part remained at $169,382 at the end of the day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 252% contrast when contrasted with the genuinely current cost. 7 days prior on Walk 6, the Crypto.com chain market remained at $1.5020 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. As the outcome, the cost truly moved by 0% comparable to its present standing. A month prior, on February 13, Crypto.com chain truly was estimated at $86375, which truly matched with our cost expectation for that essentially specific period, which by and large is very critical. Contrasted with the current place of Crypto.com chain, it addresses a 83.98% cost move in a quite huge manner. At the point when it really comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves more as a sign of the coin's offer or predominance in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its general prevalence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, which generally is very critical. Numerous digital currency brokers view market capitalization as an especially key pointer to by and large be considered prior to going with exchanging choices. An unpretentious way. It by and large is determined by duplicating the all-out number of coins that really are as of now available for use flowing stock by the very current cost of Crypto.com chain, which as currently referenced, by and by stands at $1.508910 in an in every practical sense huge way. Considering that equation, we generally have determined the especially current market capitalization of Crypto.com chain to be at $4,222,497.09, which legitimizes its place as the 33rd coin among those present on the money market incredibly. Yesterday on Walk 12, the market capitalization of Crypto.com chain especially remained at $4,500,752,102. Keep going weak on Walk 6. The essentially aggregate sum of exceptionally capital dedicated to Crypto.com chain was laid out at $3,863,796,882. The information from a month prior, enlisted on February 13, by and large shows that Crypto.com chain had a market capitalization of $282,097,011 in a kind of significant manner. As its name proposes, most extreme stockpile alludes to the roof measure of coins that will at any point explicitly be mined or stamped inside the comparing blockchain network in an unobtrusive manner. When that sum explicitly is acquired, the framework fundamentally stops the age of new coins for good, which basically is genuinely critical. The most extreme stockpile is normally demonstrated in the source code of the basic convention, as well as the white paper in an especially huge manner. The commencement towards the extremely greatest inventory typically generally begins with the development of the first beginning block on the blockchain, So yesterday on Walk 12, the cost of crypto.com chain most certainly remained at $1.169,382 at the end of the day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 252% contrast when contrasted with the ongoing cost. 7 days prior on Walk 6, the crypto.com chain market sort of remained at $1.150.2943 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, or so they especially thought. In our occasion, crypto.com chain in every practical sense has an extremely greater stockpile of 3,263s or 13,692 coins, which generally is very critical. This specific element of a sort of specific coin can basically be considered as a fence against expansion in light of the fact that the foreordained issuance rate joined with the stock roof frequently delivers the coin deflationary once the in every practical sense greatest inventory for the most part is reached and makes a pre-customized shortage of a given resource, which makes the circumstances for a sort of more unsurprising and in every way that really matters consistent cost appreciation, or so they truly thought. Complete stock focuses to the quantity of coins that really have proactively been mined, stamped, or generally made, and are either flowing available or secured in engineers, or alternately holders most certainly cool wallets, exhibiting that computerized resources like crypto.com chain basically have currently certainly turned into the point of convergence of consideration for very retail financial backers and examiners, yet in addition for kind of huge institutional financial backers who basically see crypto.com chain and the remainder of digital currencies as a genuinely successful sort of fence against expansion that takes a kind of weighty cost for the worldwide economy in a sort of significant manner. The by and large complete inventory likewise considers any coins that fundamentally have been singed put unavailable for general use to keep a sound expansion rate, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. It can basically measure up to the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that by and large is public on the financial exchange in an in every practical sense huge way. The especially all-out supply of crypto.com chain as of now by and large stands at 30,000 crow, which sort of shows that essentially all-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that for the most part have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made and generally are either flowing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders for the most part cool wallets, exhibiting that computerized resources like crypto.com chain explicitly have currently for the most part turned into the point of convergence of consideration for retail financial backers and examiners, yet in addition for certainly enormous institutional financial backers who truly see crypto.com chain and the remainder of digital currencies as a sort of powerful truly fence against expansion that takes a truly weighty cost for the worldwide economy, or so they sort of thought. Moreover, the perusing of exchanging volume can generally assist one with really deciding better section and leave focuses on the grounds that as per the principles of specialized examination, critical cost moves, pattern inversions, or unions frequently for the most part happen at the